To add admin in your Facebook page. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can admin in your Facebook page. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Facebook. Now from here you have to go into this menu icon, and from here you just have to scroll down and go in the pages. Now here in the pages you have the manage option. You just have to select it and switch your account. And after switching your account you have to again go in the menu, scroll down and go in the settings and the privacy and click on the settings. Now here is the page settings. You have to tap on it. From here you have to again scroll down. Now here is the new pages experience. You have to go in the page access, and from here is the option of the people with task access. You have to add the new and go in the next. Now here you just have to search by name or the email address. You should have task access to this page, and after that once you search for anyone you just have to add them, and after that you just have to give them access and you are able to add the access page into your Facebook. So this is how you can add the admin into your Facebook page. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.